morning everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the rice soup and healthy eat black food in the morning at home. That's how we started. The one going down. Okay. This is half gallon right here. When I make rice soup, gonna have a lot of water. I love soupy. Alright, let's go boy. Okay, the steam right left over. Don't throw away. I'm gonna make soup. So go ahead, put it in hot water right here. Yeah, okay. Let them boil. Okay. The rice in the hot water now. Let them boiling until they're overdone. Okay, this salmon feet fillet. I'm gonna go ahead and drop. Make a rice soup with salmon feet fillet today. It'll be good. You know, just let them boil it. When I make rice soup, you always have to put ginger. The sliced ginger drop in here. Because rice soup they need that. Make a good flavor. Okay, let them cook. Chicken broth powder. Chicken broth powder make a food good taste. Drop in there and sea salt. Sea salt right here. Go ahead, drop a little bit. If not enough, always add on. Stir. Let them cook. Okay, look at this. Salmon fish rice soup, guys. Healthy and yum. Fresh cilantro and spring onion. I'm gonna slide for my salmon fish rice soup, guys. Okay, this is salty dark egg. I'm gonna topping with this egg right here. That be yum. And this is a black egg, a thousand year black egg. So I'm gonna topping this. Gonna be yum. They call preserved egg right here. Gonna be this delicious. This is gonna be dark egg. Be good soup. Alright, salmon soup, rice fish soup will be almost there, guys. Look at that. Oh, yum. Okay, this egg I prepare, I'm gonna drop to the rice soup right now. Let me cut it. This white pepper when you cook rice soup. Dark roasted white pepper because I want some spice in here. I love spice by white pepper. Just go stir. Look at that. Oh my god, you guys. This is the best rice soup ever I make. Okay, this is 3 crab fish sauce. Go ahead, drop it. That's good. This is a black egg, 1000 egg. Of course, go ahead, drop it. This is dark egg, salty dark egg. Drop it. Soup gonna be yum. When you do all this, soup will be taste good. Look at this. Drop more ginger. Almost there. Guys, look at this. The rice salmon fish done. Look at that, yum. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to eat good food and good soup. Just like that. You see that? It's so good. Yum. Look at that. All the salmon fish. You know, salmon's benefit to you. So just eat any kind of it if you know how to cook. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's go start serve it. Serve. This is a good rice soup. Crazy good right here. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. Everything in there. Okay, let me put the ginger, sparkle ginger. Okay, it's got cilantro and spring onion. Here you have it, guys. Red onion, guys. Don't forget about the red onion. Just like that. With dark roast and white pepper right here, guys. There you have it. There you have it, guys. Look how good and yummy. You go ahead, try to make it. Okay, tastes very good.